Hey guys, welcome back to PT Pioneer, and in today's video we're going to be covering the NASM Nutrition Certification. If you are still selecting a certification specifically for nutrition, head over to ptpioneer.com and take the quiz on the main homepage. This quiz will help you determine which certification would be best for you, so go ahead and check that out. We also have a free study guide for the NASM CNC, so go ahead and check that out in the description below. And if you need additional study materials for your nutrition certification studying, head over to traineracademy.org. They have a lot of great study materials, and they also offer an exam pass guarantee, so check that out in the description below. And as always guys, don't forget to smash the like button. It definitely helps out the channel and lets us know what sort of videos you guys like. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell down below if you guys want to see more videos like this coming up in the future. If you have any questions regarding this certification or any other nutrition certifications, go ahead and leave a comment down below and we'll help you out. Now, if you've done all of that, let's go straight into learning about nutrition from NASM. Starting off with this video, let's address some of the advantages that you can get from having an NASM nutrition certification. More often than not, you will always have a client that is going to be coming to you for results, mostly coming from an aesthetic perspective. This means their expectations of you as a personal trainer is to help them with their physical appearance. Whether this transformation results in muscle building, fat loss, or both, it's a no-brainer that it's essential for you to have the knowledge under your belt. This is where the NASM Nutrition Certification comes in. Now, although this certification does give you the right credentials to support your clients, this does not mean that you are a registered dietitian. Next, let's talk about the pros and the cons of the NASM Nutrition Certification. Starting off with the first pro, this is delivered by NASM, which has a 30+ year recognition within the fitness industry. Many people have indicated that the certification is interactive and has engaging learning. This allows for the process to become enjoyable as it is educational. With NASM, they also focus on the latest research with nutrition as a component for coaching. You're also learning more about the fundamentals as well as the psychology of nutrition. This means you have a better understanding of certain behavioral changes that need to be applied for your client. And with this specific certification, you can also get continuing education credits towards your other certifications. Now, one con this certification has is that it's not accredited in comparison to NASM's other certifications. Another aspect of this certification is that you need to recertify every 2 years, similar to NASM's other certifications. Now, with that out of the way, let's go into more details about the NASM Certified Nutrition Coach certification. The NASM Nutrition Certification does a complete breakdown of how nutrition works. The science of biochemistry is coupled with the psychology of behavioral change through an interactive interface. Despite not being accredited, NASM offers degree-level nutrition education. Due to its cost-effective price point, the NASM certification offers a tremendous amount of value. In order to maximize your convenience, this certification is also delivered completely online. This learning system has been designed to fully engage you in a variety of multimedia tools and resources. The remote learning system also allows you to learn based off of your personal learning style. With NASM being almost like a badge of credibility within the fitness industry, having a nutrition certification will definitely help you stand out. Now that we've gone over some additional details, let's go into a breakdown of the study materials for this certification. As we mentioned previously in the video, the NASM Nutrition Certification can be done completely online with a variety of different study materials. The main study materials function as a digital textbook that allow you to jump in between sections using a bookmark system. This allows you to save your progress and track your objectives for learning in each of the different sections. The NASM Nutrition Certification also offers a variety of multimedia-rich content. A variety of engaging video guides and infographics in an easy-to-follow format allows for a very immersive study experience. Each chapter is divided into smaller lessons, allowing you to break down your objectives and outcomes. This gives you an option to either complete the course in a linear fashion, or you can skip and jump in between chapters. That being said, you will have full access to your study material as long as the course stays active. Some of the information and topics that you will learn throughout the course include some of the following. First, you will outline the role and practice of a nutrition coach. You'll also keep up to date with new findings on nutrition research, identifying key variables that affect dietary habits, explain how nutrition works on a biochemical level, explain the use, formulation, and application of various nutrition supplements, how to develop empathy with your clients, customizing your objectives and how you achieve your clients' outcomes, conducting a comprehensive body and nutrition assessment, explaining the basis and science behind dietary trends, and lastly, how to develop a customized program for each unique client. The NASM Nutrition Certification aims to develop the best nutrition coaches out there. According to them, there are 7 aspects of a highly effective nutrition coach. In order to achieve this, the NASM Nutrition Certification has a very streamlined process that allows you to grasp the concepts naturally. This allows you to get through all of the content while allowing for an adequate degree of challenge. After each of the chapters that you study, there will be a final quiz, and you can take this quiz as many times as you like. After you complete the coursework, you have unlimited attempts to take a practice exam. This will allow you to get a better grasp of the format for the final exam. You can save money through the CNC certification alone, or if you package it with the NASM CPT certification. We have special discounts coming every now and then through ptpioneer.com, so be sure to check out the deals page over here. And if you guys like discounts, definitely go ahead and like the video too. If you have any questions regarding the deals and the discounts, leave a comment down below. Now, once all of that is said and done, you are ready to take the final exam. The final exam will consist of 100 multiple choice questions. You have about 90 minutes to take the final exam, and you will have to pass with a 70%. As an added benefit to earning this certification, the NASM CNC counts towards 1.9 continuing education credits. Furthermore, if you are still registered as a student, you will have access to NASM's helpline, which is available during regular office hours. Lastly, let's address the cost of the certification. Aside from any specials or promotions, the NASM CNC certification will normally cost around $899 for a one-time payment. The best way to compare the cost for the value of this certification is to compare it with other certifications in this category. An example of this alternative is the ACE Nutrition Certification. ACE has a well-recognized nutrition certification called the Fitness Nutrition Specialist. The ACE FNS offers a relatively general approach to nutrition. Comparing it to the NASM CNC, the NASM CNC has a more focused approach. The ACE certification offers groundwork information, but it doesn't go into too much depth. This certification also runs at a lower cost, ranging between $499 to $599, depending on which package you get. So with our final thoughts on the NASM Nutrition Certification, we would give this one 5 out of 5 stars. With this certification, NASM finds a blend between quality and credibility. This is one of the certifications that we would normally recommend with other certifications within the fitness industry. The NASM CNC takes it up a notch by offering evidence-based research, as well as engaging learning material. The digital learning resources are full of presentations, video resources, and helpful guides. NASM offers a great value for the price compared to what other competitors offer. If you guys are still selecting a nutrition certification, head over to ptpioneer.com and take the quiz on the main homepage. There you'll be able to assess which nutrition certification would be the best fit for you. You can find premium study materials over at Trainer Academy, and you can cut your study time in half. So definitely go ahead and check that out in the description below. If you guys like this video, go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.